Hello everyone, welcome back. It's Ritvik, and this is the continuation of part 1. This is the part 2. So we're going to coding for the bullet, and we're coding for the bullet to hit the enemy and the enemy to move. And in the part 3, we're going to add some variables, lives, whatever. And in this part, we're going to make the bullet move and do some stuff. So there are 3 shooters and there's a 1 bullet, and I want to do 1 bullet. So let's go back to the bullet and click, or just want to do it. Okay, this is going to be bullet 1, bullet 2 and bullet 3. So shooter number 1, gonna shoot where the all shooters are pointing to the mouse pointer, so we need a crosshair or something like that. So let's paint a crosshair, something like here. So here, so 1, 2. Okay, so this is our crosshair. We name it the crosshair. Code for it, so forever go to mouse pointer. Cool, isn't it? So we need to shoot if we click, but as we click, we can be sometimes clicking the crosshair, or we might be clicking at the background. So we need this called if mouse down. It's like when you draw something, you put your pen down, like here, it's mouse down. So when I click, the mouse down is setting true itself to true. So to show that, I'm going to take a variable named mouse, and then set it to a mouse down. So right now it's false. When I click, it's true, and when I don't click, it's not. So like that, it's gonna work. I'm going to delete this mouse variable and get this mouse down. So this is going to if this was true, then bullets would come out from the shooters. And we need to put an if statement. So if mouse down, then what do I do? Okay, and click hide, and then when I start it as a clone, you must show. So what the shooter number 1 is doing is creating the clone of bullet 1, and that clone is going to hit the enemy. Okay, I might do some particle effects on these bullets in the part 3, or do some effects and cool effects in the part 3. So part 3 is the finishing touch. If mouse down, you need to make it create clone of bullet 1. Okay. Send this to the other shooters and rename them bullet 2 and bullet 3. Okay, after this, okay, let's code for the bullet. So when I started as a clone, go to, so I'm coding for bullet number 1. This should go to shoot number 1. Go to shoot number 1 and point in the direction. Okay, here point in direction of shooter number 1's direction. So this block, right, this will make the direction to the shooter number 1. So right now the direction is 3 degrees. So if you put that, it will point in this shooter number 1's direction. So like, okay, here. This is shooter number 1. This is shooter number 3. What? Okay, I'll do rearranging. Okay, this is shooter number 1, shooter number 2, shooter number 3. All in the X position of -205. Okay. So keep looking at the shooter number 1 here. See those bullets? Okay, if you don't see, then I'm gonna move them to 50. Look now at the shooter number 1. He's shooting or creating the clone of bullets, and those bullets are moving 50 steps forward. So to make them hit the enemy, we're going to repeat until. Here we're going to put repeat until or touching enemy or touching the edge. So it should disappear after it touches the enemy or if it touches the edge. Move. So what this will do is move 10 steps until touching enemy or touching edge. Okay. Delete the clone. Look at them go. Yeah, even they're deleting their clones, and it is working properly fine. Okay, so bullet 1 move 10 steps. So I think 20 steps would be okay. And look, when it's touching the enemy, it's like disappearing. Look, it disappears when it touches the enemy or the edge. So that's what it does, that code. So give this piece of code to every other one. Okay. Here shooter number 2, and here shooter number 3. And yeah, don't forget to put these. And I'm going to add a little blank to make the project run faster. Make the project run faster. So look at all those shooters. They're shooting at where my crosshair is. So if my crosshair was here, everyone would have shooten the enemy. If my crosshair was here, everyone would have shooten here. So we'll keep on shooting this crosshair. It's like, if you don't want to add more bullets like this, yeah, that would really hurt the processor. So to stop that, you need to add this 0.5 seconds. Okay, I think that would work to help the CPU process for your mobile CPU's process. Even this mouse down right works for mobiles. I don't know if it works or not. Touch down, mouse down. Okay, now they are in a good position. So this is the end of part 1. Part 2 is where we make finishing touch, like special effects or something like that. So please make sure to watch the part 1 before this, and see you guys in the next video.